Understanding Legal Acquittal, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a legal term that often appears in news and literature, legal acquittal. We'll break down what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand this concept better. So, let's dive in. Legal acquittal is a term used in the legal system. When someone is acquitted in a court of law, it means that they have been formally declared not guilty of the charges against them. This decision is usually made by a judge or a jury, indicating that there isn't enough evidence to prove the person committed the crime. Remember, acquittal doesn't necessarily mean the person is innocent. It just means there isn't enough proof of guilt. The process of acquittal happens during a trial. After both sides, the prosecution and the defense, present their evidence and arguments, the judge or jury deliberates. If they conclude that the evidence is insufficient to meet the beyond a reasonable doubt standard, they will acquit the accused. This standard is very high, meaning the evidence must leave no reasonable doubt in the minds of the jury that the defendant is guilty. It's important to note that the concept of acquittal may vary slightly in different legal systems around the world. In some countries, there might be different standards or procedures for what constitutes an acquittal. However, the underlying principle of declaring someone not guilty due to insufficient evidence is a common thread. Let's look at some examples to clarify. 1. A famous court case. Imagine a high-profile court case you might have heard about in the news, where the defendant is acquitted because the jury isn't fully convinced of their guilt. 2. A fictional scenario. In a crime novel, a character might be acquitted of a crime they were suspected of because the detective couldn't find conclusive evidence against them. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of legal acquittal. Remember, it's a term that signifies a lack of sufficient evidence to prove guilt in a legal setting. If you have any questions or want to learn more about similar legal terms, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.